In Consumer Corner, we take a look at trends and products creating a buzz here in China. Today, we're looking at the root causes of high prices for luxury goods in China. Recently published statistics are bearing out what wealthy Chinese have known for some time. People in mainland China pay more for luxury goods than their luxury-seeking counterparts in other nations. Statistics published by the Sichuan Daily show that the average price of luxury goods in mainland China was 45% higher than in Hong Kong, 51% higher than in the US, and 72% higher than in France. Though part of the high prices can be traced to high import taxes, some industry insiders argue that strong purchasing power and eager consumption desire in Chinese consumers plays a bigger role in the sky-high prices for luxury goods. According to a report by HSBC last month, China has soared in importance for the luxury sector in recent years. Currently, China accounts for 1/4 of the global luxury market by revenue. Ouyang Kun, a luxury goods analyst, elaborated on the factors accounting for the high Chinese prices by using an example. Although China's composite tax rate is lower than India's, the price of luxury goods such as Coach bags is almost 3 times higher. The reason for setting prices at such a high level is the fact that demand largely exceeds supply. To satisfy Chinese consumers' hunger for luxury goods, some brands are shipping up to 70% of all the products they make to the Chinese market. But the supply is still not enough to satisfy Chinese demand. According to Ouyang, if Chinese demand cannot be controlled, then the entire luxury supply chain may become affected. So far, luxury brands have had to raise prices in China to relieve the pressure on short supplies. These higher prices, though, have inadvertently allowed luxury companies to build an even more committed consumer base willing to shell out serious cash for their luxury goods. In the blogosphere, some people have focused on the wealth gap that the Chinese luxury market reflects. On Sina Weibo, China's version of Twitter, one netizen described the population segment that buys high-end luxury brands as follows. In China, people who have the ability to buy luxury goods are those super rich members of society who are the first wave to become rich following economic reform. Chinese luxury consumers also tend to be significantly younger than their counterparts in the West. Younger people are becoming the primary buyers for luxury goods, providing more lifelong customers for luxury brands. Another Weibo post looked at this luxury boom as a reflection of the generation. Other than truly wealthy people, the group of youngsters born in the 1980s during China's baby boom have also become a force to contend with. Although their individual purchasing power is limited, the group is large and these young people are not afraid to spend. Other posts took aim at the conspicuous consumption that drives luxury demand. Quote, "The psychology behind luxury products is that the owner is someone that has money and social status. Luxury goods are fine in small quantities, but their mass use is stupid. Wearing an LV bag on the subway, even if it's real, people will think it's a knockoff." An elaborate culture of gift-giving in China further boosts sales of luxury products. Expensive handbags, jewelry, watches, and accessories are commonly exchanged among businessmen and politicians. Luxury analyst Ouyang Kun described luxury goods makers as spoiled by Chinese consumers. In the Chinese luxury market, consumers are often not price sensitive and occasionally defy fundamental assumptions of economics. With so much face involved in the price of a gift, sometimes increasing prices will actually lead to greater demand for goods.